Okie doke. So, Daquan helpfully offered that he practiced as a football player, so we talked about practice. The way to talk about practice, it's lame just to say he practiced. So again, what we wrote was he established and maintained a routine for physical exercise, and he didn't practice alone, he practiced with others. So that exercise was both for himself and for his teammates. Now, a lot of y'all are working in fast food. So, what's your job title at fast food? Just employee, maybe? Okay, what's the name of a Anglo-Saxon fast food joint? Hmm? Yeah, they did. Well, kind of. Ooh, let's, Rothgar's Burgers. Monster Burgers. It's the name of the king. Okay, so what do you do when you're working fast food? What are the different, like, little jobs you have while you're working fast food? Okay, you don't want to say bagging orders. It's lame. Okay, you can say you were a cook. You can say you were a cashier. Bagging orders, we're going to say cashier. So, what's a good way to talk about those things? Does your future employer probably tell care that you can flip a burger? Not so much, but there is going to be something they care about. So let's look at these verbs. They're going to be able to tell that you could assemble. So let's talk about it that way. Assembled meals, both independently and within an assembly line, working effectively as a team member. Cool. What's another thing you're going to do as a fast food employee? You're going to talk to people. So you're going to... Please tell me to... Okay. You're going to serve and... served customers with a smile. Supporting a friendly work environment for both customers and co-workers. Okay, because look, everybody knows that sometimes customers are a lot to handle. So being able to say that you served them with a smile, so let's say we served all customers, because that's a big deal there, to be able to serve all your customers with a smile, okay? So what's another thing that we do when we're working there? Ooh, we provided prompt and, courteous. That is nice. Courteous customer service. Because that's important, being able to provide prompt and courteous customer service. Promoting our specials and it is awkward minute. Supporting our specials and what else? Supporting our specials and recommending dishes. Okay? So, notice, these show skills that go beyond just standing at a cash register. Here you show that you're thoughtful about what skills you're developing. The rest of this is going to be pretty straightforward. Here you're just listing what you're learning. Hopefully you'll be able to delete the interest section and you won't need that. If you need help formatting your references, please just let me know. Again, if you need the GPA, email me. Make sure that you add the month here. So let's say that he worked there from May 589 to July 600. Y'all have a wonderful day. Goodbye. For those of you watching the video, I'm sorry if it seems like I'm yelling. If you've got any questions, as always, please just email